Hi everyone, welcome to Infinite Book, and today we're going to show you how to clean your Infinite Book. There's many ways you can do it. You can simply use the back end of your marker. There's a little eraser on here. You can use a cloth from your kitchen, anything will do, but we made a special cleaning kit. So here it is, it's the cleaning kit. It comes in a little box, you open it up, and inside this box you have a tiny microfiber cloth. Here you have it. Let's see. A magic sponge and a spray, bottle of spray. This bottle always comes empty. You have to fill it up. So let's try to do it without spilling it over. It's not working for me today. So we fill it up. We put the tip here, and there you have, ready to use. So let's see how this works. You open your Infinite Book, write something down. Let's write be creative again. You have it here. And then you pick up your spray. You spray it on your magic sponge like this. And then you just clean it up. Use your marker fiber cloth and just take off every excess of water. And here you have it, a cleaning kit cleaning your Infinite Book. Thank you for watching.